Good morning. Okay, we picked VRSN today and we picked rate. VRSN, the purpose for this stock, for us choosing this particular stock, is that it gapped down today and the Qs were shooting up. This is how we gauge relative strength. So what happened was the VRSN went down, and we knew this was an extremely positive day here, and so we're not totally convinced on the short, so we waited it out. And so what we did was we watched the 1 minute chart up here, and here you have a consolidation, you see, and this is common, and it consolidated, and not only did it consolidate, it's ascending, you see. So that's telling us that the big boys do not wish to sell this at this particular time. And so instead of entering here with this 5 minute buy like a lot of people do, we don't do that. Our entries are on the 1 minute chart, because all 5 minute entries and 10 and 15 and 60s are not equal. And this is a prime example of the difference between a book and reality. So here you have reality, which says, hey, this stock is strong, and it consolidated. I don't know if you can see that here. Let me drag that over a little bit. And here, the top of this is at dot 54, so you could have gotten in at dot 55, but you see there's a mini consolidation between here, about a good 5-6 minutes, and the break of this consolidation is dot 51. And I was sitting here watching a level 2, and it sat there and it was constant, and it wasn't backing up, and it hit dot 50, and I got in. That's called aggressive entries. Sometimes you can do that. Okay, so we actually got in here at minute 53 instead of here at minute 40, because the picture was far more clearer here. Okay, let's go ahead and look at rate. Now this is rate. The positive thing about rate is that it's opening with the market. That's good. We can use that because these things work out well a lot of times. Here you have the market rising and rate is rising, and you have this sell-off here on the daily. See that sell-off? And it opens up here and it goes down a little bit and it jumps right up. But the most important part, once again, is the 1 minute chart. And look at what we have here on the 1 minute chart. Could it be another consolidation, and a very nice one, right here? And so we decided to enter here at the high of 29.12 with a stop under 28.80, or even 74 is fine, because the stocks do hit quarters to this day. So it took off. We got in right here at 10 o'clock, 10:01, and our aim was 30 cents because our stop is 30 cents. And so it hit 30 cents at 30 plus 29.12 is 29.42. You could have exited there, or we're really used to watching your level 2. You get used to watching level 2 over time, and depending on who you are and your abilities, you can pick out. You can almost pick a top, but you'd rather not pick a top. And so we happened to get lucky today, and we picked the top at 29.65, and we got at 29.65 exactly. This does not happen all the time, and our other trade on VRSN absolutely proves that, because VRSN went a lot further than our exit, and it would have been nice to collect from that. But we don't worry about that. All we worry about is winning. Okay, sometimes, if that's in your plan, what you do is, once you get to your initial target, you set your stop to your entry, and that would have worked beautifully here. That's just a decision you have to make for yourself. Thank you, and it's been good talking to you again. Have a good day.